You alone deserve all the glory, Lord. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So let's make some finger-licking beef burger, my favorite. So let's go. So I have my minced beef here. So I season or marinate it, starting with my mise en place. Then I add this beautifully chopped red onions to it. My dry seasoning here, I'll be listing all ingredients in the description box so you check it out. But then I have some salt to taste, some paprika, beef seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Then I add some green peas for garnishing and color, some black pepper, some oyster sauce, and my egg yolk. So gently mix them thoroughly for it to incorporate into the beef. I always say the beef must be well seasoned. So over here, I mold my beef to get the beef patty or pea patty. So the size of the beef patty depends on you, the individual. You can make it smaller or bigger. Also depends on your bread size. So our beef patty is ready, so I cling film it and then refrigerate it for like an hour or two. So over here I prepare my burger sauce, starting with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, some black pepper, and some lime. So sometimes I add a touch of honey to it and it takes my burger sauce to another level. So over here my burger sauce is ready. So I'll just set it aside. Now to my beef. So I gently grill my beef. And trust me, the aroma coming out is superb. Oh my goodness. Friends and family, you really need to try this recipe. Just look at how juicy our beef patty is doing. And the papa. So now our beef patty is ready, well cooked. So I just add my cheese to it for it to melt a little. And this is where the sweetness comes from. When you bite into the burger and the cheese melts in your mouth. Oh my goodness. Oh. So at this point, I do the assembling. So I have toasted my bread a bit. So I start with my burger sauce. So assembling is your choice. You can choose to do it any style of yours. Just make it look good and inviting. Yeah, very necessary. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. God bless you. And just look at what we have here. Finger licking, mouth watering. Oh my God. Yes, I hope you try this new year. You give the family some treats and they will be glad you did. Thank you so much for enjoying this recipe with me, and I hope you are gonna try it. Yes, so you know what? See you in our next video whilst I enjoy my beef burger paired with some French fries. So see you in our next video. I love you guys. God bless you. God bless you. Bye bye and happy new year.